Dear students, today I will explain you how to learn Get Connected course from the mobile. Go to the Google, type Network Academy login. Then we need to make our mobile in a desktop mode. So click over here, then click on a desktop site. Now your mobile screen show you the desktop view. Now click on the first link, which is a netacad.com. Click here, go into the login. Again, you will find the next page where you will have the same login icon. Click over there. You will divert it toward the login page. So write down your email, write your password, and then do sign in. Now, once it open, you will find all your enrolled courses. So find your course and then click on launch course. It will open in new window. So here you can find the all module and the quiz link. So click on the module whatever you want to learn, 1 2 3 4 5. So as you click on the module name, so for example I click on the name, here I will divert it to the new page. Again here I need to click over here, so it will open in new window. You can see again I need to create a desktop view, so I can easily view the PPT. So here the PPT is available. Now here the next and previous slide option is available. I can move my slide, I can zoom in, I can 3D it, and this way I can learn the course. I can learn every module one by one, and as I complete the module I can go to the quiz and then I can attempt the quiz. So here you can see the website, the slide is
Where
there.
are we?
You can find their
I
communication,
think the game is a
audio,
portal.
video. So this way you need to understand the subject, understand the content. You can find this kind of block also.
Desktop or
So this is
desktop
very
computer?
interactive education method. You can see, click on
Notebook
any
or
icon, it will
laptop?
explain, it will speak in the PPT. Now you can move towards the back again, and then you can jump to any chapter. So one by one you should learn all the chapter. For example, now I click on a module test, so it will ask me, give me some instruction, and then it will ask me to attempt the quiz. If I say attempt the quiz, I will find all the question. Now I need to answer the all the question, and then my quiz will be over. So same way I will attempt second chapter, then quiz, then next chapter, then quiz, and then there will be the final quiz. So this way I will complete my entire session. You can see I have opened the another chapter. Again I need to make a desktop view, so I can see it easily. You can see again there is an interactive presentation. I can go next and previous through the option given below. So the same way you need to attempt all the chapter.
Welcome to the second station. Here you can explore folders, directories, and files. Folders, files, and programs. Editing of documents.
So this is how this thing is very interesting. Now one important thing, you can set your profile. Go to the profile, click here, and then you can check your name spelling, your email ID. So you should check your name, it should be proper, because this is going to be available on the certificate. The same will be going to print on a certificate. So that's it about the course. Thank you. If you have any question, write in the comment. Thank you.